Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to set up Dynmap. Basically, Dynmap is a mode in Minecraft that allows you to add the map into the game. So it will be looking something like that, as you can see here. So here we go, and this is like basically the map and what you could do. So how you can get it, that's pretty easy. Just go here and go to Dynmap, download Minecraft. And as you can see here, you will only need to click on this website, which is specialmc.org. Wait until it opens. And from here, all you need to do is actually download now. Here we go. So now I will click on download. And here we go. So now let's wait until it's fully installed. Here it is. And as you can see, it is .java, so we need Java. So what you have to do is go to Java, go to java.com, and here it is. So download Java. As you can see through here, download Java. Here we go, and let's wait. Download Java even here, and here it is. Now all you need to do is wait until Java is fully loaded. As you can see over here, it is downloading. So let's wait and let's open it. Now it's pretty simple. You just have to click next, next, next. So let's click next or install. So install, and here it is. So you have to wait a couple of seconds and it will be installed. Now let's give it some time. And voila, so it is downloaded. And basically while it is downloaded, let's read out what this actual plugin can give you. So the features high configurable maps per word, so you can actually like configure your own map using this plugin. Read some updates, player with their faces are visible on the map, chat messages are visible, map viewer can chat to players in game, and so go on. So basically here you can see whatever you like. Here you can download like the code itself if you wanted, and yeah, that's how the map will look like. For example, if you had like the game a server or something like that, every building will be looking something around that. It's basically so realistic that is so good to be real. So now when the Java actually finishes, all you need to do is add this file to your server plugins and launch your server again, and it will be done. So hey guys, that's how you can actually set up your Dynmap for your Minecraft server. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.